In this example, I've got a bracket design profile that needs to be completed. An additional profile needs to be sketched at the origin point to create a mounting hole. To ensure the bracket won't rotate about the new hole when in use, I'm going to use a hexagonal shape, so the Polygon tool is the way to go. To create a polygon, select Polygon from the Sketch Command Manager or Tools menu. In the Polygon Property Manager, you can specify whether or not the geometry is going to be for construction, the number of sides for the polygon, in this case 6, and whether the polygon is inscribed or circumscribed around its construction circle. You can also specify various additional parameters for the polygon if required. Just like a center point circle, start a polygon by clicking to define its center point. Then either click again or drag to create the polygon. And as with any underdefined sketch, you can drag the entity to adjust its size. You can add relations and dimensions to any of the polygon segments to fully define it, or you can dimension its construction circle. Either method works fine. If you need to change the parameters of the polygon, simply right-click on the polygon in the graphics area and select Edit. I'll go ahead and change the polygon to 5 sides, then fully define it. And just for fun, I'm going to go ahead and replace this existing circle with a triangle. So as you can see, when you need to sketch multifaceted entities, the Polygon command is the tool to use.